Have you heard of Lumafusion Director Pack? In this video, I'm going to show you what features are in the new, soon to be released, hopefully this year, the Lumafusion Director Pack. Let's go! First of all, it's a paid upgrade, okay? It's not free. The other software feature is free, but this Director Pack here is not free. But wait, the creator promised that it won't be an arm and a leg to get the product. So it will be probably around $10 to upgrade, $10 to $20. I'm not involved in anything to do with Lumafusion, the company Lumatouch. So I have no idea what is the price of the actual Director Pack. But for sure, it won't be a king ransom, put that way, okay? Now, what are the features that make Lumafusion a pro editor, okay? A pro video editing software app. From what I've seen so far from the demonstration last year, okay, when they first released the Lumafusion 3.0, they have multi-cam editing with 12 tracks. Unbelievable. Right now we only have like 6 tracks to play with, but in the new Director Pack we have 12 tracks to play with. They have inbuilt multi-cam editing. So instead of me going like from camera A, camera B, okay, cutting like blind right now, I'm cutting blind right now with this kind of camera, okay, A, B. With Lumafusion, the new Director Pack, they actually built in. So you just tap on the screen and it's there, okay? All the footage from your multi-cam, as long as you sync it up properly, which I have a video. If you don't know about syncing properly, then I have a video. Check it out somewhere up down the description below, okay? Or check out my playlist. There's plenty of video resource there for you to check it out. Lifesaver, a lot of time saving. Because right now I'm editing multi-cam, but blindly, okay? Initially I just go with my A camera, GH4, then I switch to the Samsung Galaxy S8, okay? With old camera, I need to upgrade to an iPhone. When it's the screen is broken, when it's gone, I can't use it anymore, then I upgrade. That's when I do my upgrading, not like, I gotta upgrade every year. No, it doesn't work like that with me, okay? I'm pretty sure it doesn't work like that with you guys as well. You guys are smart. The other feature that I've seen in the demonstration was, you know how right now with the keyframe we can't do any adjustment to it. I'm not sure if it's in the Director Pack or just an upgrade to Lumafusion 3 point something, okay? We don't know yet, but from what I've seen, the keyframes, you can delete it, move it around, so there's more adjustment, okay, potential there as well. The other feature about the keyframe is Keyframe Easing. Right now we use keyframe just like abruptly go in and out. There's no ease in or ease out. But with the new Lumafusion Director Pack, or it's an upgrade, I don't know, to the 3 point something, I don't know. But from what I've seen, they have ease in, ease out, which is really cool, right? Right now it's missing that. Apple Prores is now included in Lumafusion, okay? It now can edit it out of Lumafusion Prores. Now it's gonna consume a lot of data, okay? It's Prores, okay? So you need an iPad Pro, which I have a video saying, what is all this stuff mean already. So it's there for you if you want to check it out. Is it in the Director Pack or it's in the Creative Pack? That's what they call, okay? Creative Pack. So you have more color grading. That's kind of stuff that they haven't shown us yet, okay? But from what I've seen, there's a lot of pro feature that added on to Lumafusion coming this year. Finger crossed, okay? So what it means for all of you guys, okay? It means that Lumafusion is getting better and better each and every day. Each new version, they are upgrading to a better, more pro-like, Okay, so it's become more like DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, and Final Cut. Okay, so that's the main 3 programs right now that are very popular. Now with all of my teaching so far, I've made over 50 videos already on Lumafusion. So if you have any doubt about what can Lumafusion do, check out my videos and you know everything about it. Okay? Are you new to Lumafusion? I have a lot of playlists from beginner to more advanced. So check them out here. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. I supply this content for you to better yourself as a content creator, video editor, a shooter. I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.